Stop scrolling. What if I told you there's a way to make $1,000 per day trading, and it's 100% legal? No scams, no fake promises, and no risk of getting banned by YouTube or the government. This is not gambling, not risky day trading, and definitely not a get-rich-quick scam. This is a proven strategy used by top traders worldwide, and today, I'm revealing it for free. But if you skip even 1 second, you'll miss the most important part that could cost you money. Most beginners just press buy or sell without knowing why. That's how 90% of traders lose their money. If your broker is not licensed by the SEC in the USA, FCA in the UK, ASIC in Australia, or FMA in New Zealand, your money could disappear overnight. The difference between a losing trader and a winning trader? A rock-solid strategy with zero gambling. Best markets to trade in 2025. Forex like EUR, USD and GBP USD, high liquidity, low spreads, easy profits. US stock market, think S&P 500, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, huge institutional trading activity. Crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum on regulated platforms. High volatility equals big opportunities. Trading view indicators that actually work in 2025. Moving averages like the 200 EMA and 50 EMA, perfect for spotting trends. RSI plus MACD combo, avoid bad trades, catch winning moves. Volume profile and order flow, see where big money is trading. Secret, never risk more than 1% of your account on any trade. This is how pros stay profitable long term. But wait, there's one final secret that will decide whether you make $1,000 per day or lose everything. I'll reveal it in 30 seconds, so don't skip. Don't. The number one key to making $1,000 per day. Trading psychology, the real secret to winning. Even with the best strategy, if you can't control your emotions, you will lose money. Live trade breakdown, $1,000 profit in action, show a real or back-tested trade that made over $1,000. Explain why the trade was entered, show how risk management worked perfectly. Highlight the step-by-step execution. Important disclaimer. Trading involves risk, and past results don't guarantee future success. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always consult with a licensed financial professional before trading. The final hook, the most powerful call to action. Final thought. You now have the blueprint to legally make $1,000 per day trading. The question is, will you take action or let this opportunity slip away? Call to action. Like this video if you learned something valuable. Comment "I'm ready" if you want me to break down more winning trades. Subscribe now for weekly real trading strategies. Final warning, this strategy works right now, but markets are changing fast. If you don't act, you might miss your chance.